Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Take 3. Okay, I know it's been a long time since I have actually made a video or filmed a video, and I even had to try to get my lighting right from scratch. Okay, so I'm done with the puppy journal kit, and I have done some videos on it already. I used on this side I used what is this sample wallpaper that I had, and you will notice that I actually didn't decorate it. I tend to decorate it if I want to, but for me this is sufficient. And if I feel like I need to decorate it, then I will, or if someone wants to buy it, and then I will. Okay, so let's see how big this is. This is 6.5 inches by, well, the cover almost 8 3/4, I would say. And I know the spine is 2 inches because I use a standard 750 gram Pro Neutral box for it. Okay, and in centimeters, that would be 22 centimeters long by 16.5 centimeters with a 5 centimeter spine. Okay, so it is sorry, it is cold here in South Africa, so I had a bath and put on my gown. It's got 2 signatures in it. I can't remember how many pages. I think 80 or something like that, and that's because I embellish very heavy. So this is from the kit. I think everything I have here for the most part is from the kit. If it's not from the kit, it is cutouts or it is stamps. I think there's 1 or 2 images that might not be from the kit. Okay, so this is also from the kit. I did go ahead and I did use the background pages to also make tags, and I just backed them, if I'm not mistaken, with just coffee dyed paper. So you would see some tags that are this big, but you won't find them in the kit. But I just made them out of the background pages. All right, so that's a pocket in the kit. This here is Amazon packaging that I sewed and put together. Those are stamps, my die cuts, and that's from the kit. And so is that massive ticket. Okay, so that's that. And I like things that I can take out and write on, because if I'm going to keep the journal, then I am going to use it for my church notes. Okay, so this is one way of adding beautiful music paper to the to your journal, but still having some place to actually write. And this, there's notes over here, but they are not mine, so I thought I would leave them because they just look more authentic. These are tags that are made, and I do believe I showed these to you. They are the same, and I just stenciled, stamped an image, die cut tickets, stamp tickets, and I don't know where's that from, I won't lie. Okay, and they go into the pocket. Oh, I didn't even realize. Do I have a pocket underneath too? Yes, I do. I do. Okay, how cool is that? I never knew. I mean, when I put it together, I may have known, but I think I took it out. And he has just some embellishments. I used a lot of tickets where I've got the stamps, and I used that. And I think this may have been from the kit, if I'm not mistaken. I backed it with Amazon paper, so you know me. And here too. Oh, imagine that. I didn't even know I left space in between, so I could add more tags to it. All right, so that is a die that I have, okay, from the kit. And this is like pink dyed paper, and if I'm not mistaken, I use food coloring, right? Also just some embellishments where I decided I'm not going to decorate every single page with something. And yes, this is from the kit, and a pocket from the kit. And these are just normal coffee dyed paper that I kept. Oh, I used, do believe, so this one I did a YouTube tutorial on, if I'm not mistaken, and I do believe I did a YouTube tutorial, I did a tutorial on this one, and that opens up like that, and then you've got this page, this here, so I think these are Tim Holtz, I don't know why, flowers, whatever number, okay, that I put in there. And it does misbehave sometimes, especially on camera. Okay, so I'm going to leave that out and I'll put it back. And then there's another tag over here. All right, then I backed that one with journaling paper. Okay, and then I'll put that back when I can. And then I've got one of the postcards from the kit that I stuffed in there. In retrospect, I would have opened it out to stick it on this side, and I learned my lesson, and I think in the next one that's what I did. This is also from the kit, just something to embellish it. I also did a YouTube video of this here. I'm not going to open it, but it opens up, so these two kind of envelope pockets, closures open up, but they're not envelopes. I just took the template from it, but you will see the YouTube video. Some stamping, some stickers, and then this goes in here, and this one goes in here, like this, like that, and that. And this becomes a pocket for these things here. And I'm trying to get this out. And then there's a nice big tag in there that goes through. So these act like a belly band. Okay. Don't know why this is. Oh, I see. That's why. Okay, so this one here is, I think it's part of the kit, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it is. And there's the matching tag that goes with it. Okay. And then this is also part of the kit, a library card. That is my design. The big tags, the big tickets, and then this also is part of the kit. I'm holding it so tight that I can't take it out. And then I just, the label is part of the kit that I just decorated. Put some washi over here that I had for years. And this is also from the kit. Okay, and I got that page. Then I just thought, instead of leaving it blank, let me just decorate it with this. So I've got all this writing space, and I've got that. This is an envelope from the kit. I haven't put anything in my envelopes. I do know that I will just put coffee dyed paper in it. This is a journaling card from the kit. And this is also, I do believe, from the kit. So I did print it out multiple times. A stamp, and then just acts as a belly band for that was from the kit. Just a tag and pocket from the kit. This is another envelope from the kit. And then I just made this here with a punch that I have. You can see that it's a bit on the wonky side. Yep. But anyway. And then that's Tim Holtz as well. Okay, so here is a belly band. I do believe it's part of the kit. And then I just made this with the paper from the kit, the background papers. That's why I love background papers. And this is also from the kit, because I can make whatever I want to then. Okay, what is this? Also background paper from the kit that I just made a little tag with. Here also from the kit. And then this is a journaling card from the kit. So you know my journals are always chock full. always chock full. Yes, and I do believe that this is also from the kit. It is a pocket, so on both sides, and then in here this is a double pocket. There you go. Okay, and then I made this card, journaling card as well. I'm trying to remember what I made. This is also from the kit. You saw this like 3 times now, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And then this is going with this here. Okay. So it's like a little bit of an index card. Oh, this thing is slipping and sliding because I got my glass board underneath. So, am I in frame? I don't think so. So this is Tim Holtz. I don't know what it's called. One of the dies from Tim Holtz. I don't know what it's called. And then I just added a bus ticket on it, part of the kit. I did a YouTube video on this one, this year, how we use book pages and Amazon packaging, or some packaging to do that. Okay. Also did the YouTube on this one here, if I'm not mistaken. I think I did. And here I just used a bread, put 2 tickets, 3 circles together. And you can run, 4 circles. Oh, wow. 4. So altogether there's 5 circles over here that I put together with little tags, and then they go into half circles. Okay. All right. So that's the same. This is one of the images that are not from the kit. I think it's from Scrapbooking with Me, one of the freebies. And then this one here I got from Creative Studio when they sent me a pack. And I thought it was so pretty. I put it in there. All right. This one here is in the kit, and I just turned it into a little bit of a pocket. So it is a file folder, mini file folder. And then I just did these 2 to put it in. So that's, I do believe that's one doily, and then I just cut it in half to put it in. All right. And then what is on the side? Oh, I did a YouTube video on this one. This is like the waterfall tags, and you flip each one up. Okay. And then one of these as well. And then here's the a music paper here, which I then put that on. And I've got a little tag in it, and then another pocket here with a nice big tag. So this is kind of the same as that. I matched it up as best as I could. So you will see that it's almost the same. So I'm just going to give you a flip through of it here. So here you see I put the tag on the right side here to come out. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Here. Yeah, I think here is a little different, but almost the same. Oh, and then I did this here because I don't know how I got 2 blank pages next to each other. So I took whatever I had, and I just, that was one of the big tags I had. I cut it in half. It's a circle, and I punched it. And then these were all the circles I had left over as well, because I cut too many. So I put it in there, and then these are some of the tags. Okay, and then I just decorated it just to make the page look full. And that's that. Done that. And here I just used a one of the ticket, well, kind of tickets from the kit, and I just put it down here because it was looking so plain. And then I just punched out a tag with leftover cardstock, and then I just had these pretty flowers that I just added to that. Okay, and here we've got a ticket. Here I just stamped one of my tickets. Not a ticket, a tag. And I made tags. I did the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a mirror image of the other side, where I could, I mean, for the most part I could. Okay, that's that. I also made that tag. These here, so I did different cards on this side, if you notice, because those ones were plain, so I put the doily on it. This one is a bit of a design, so I left it plain. And that's it. That's the kit. Okay, I mean, sorry, that's the journal for the puppy kit journal. I know it took some time. I didn't take time off. I just had other things that required my attention, and they were time bound, so I had to get them down. So now I am trying to wake up earlier every morning so I can still do the other things and then still have time to do this. Don't know what happened. There we go. All right, so that's that. Hope you liked it. And I ship only to South Africa. Unfortunately, I live in South Africa, and if you would like that journal, let me know. I will decorate the front then, and just let me know. All the people in South Africa have my details, so let me know if you want that. Okay, and then yeah, I can make a plan to get it to you. And so take care. Lots of love from me, Santini at Sunny Creates. And I do hope that you have a blessed week, and we'll chat soon. Bye-bye.